Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So, how are you guys? Hope you guys are doing fine. So, today's topic would be how to read a dataset in PySpark. You all know PySpark is used. Python we can't use every time because sometimes what happens the dataset is huge and Python reading the dataset and exploring the datasets becomes little bit tedious. So another way to explore a data set is using PySpark. So I'll be helping you guys with how to read a data set and explore a data set with the help of PySpark. PySpark is nothing but a combination of Spark, Apache Spark, which is on big data front, Spark, and we are doing it with via Python. So we have so PySpark is basically used for most of the machine learning problems, like MLlib problems. So initial for starting purpose, we are gonna read the data set using PySpark, and post which we will explore the data set. We will then do a deep dive. We'll find insights. Then we will go for visualization from taking a sample out of the data set and do a visualization. After which, I will take you to the journey of machine learning using PySpark. So coming back to the video, we will read it. I'll tell you how to read a data set using PySpark. Let's start. So from PySpark arc.sql import Spark session. Okay. Uh, then put in name Spark session dot builder dot app name. Give any app name. My first practice you can give, and get or create. Remember, guys, this is a camel case wherein the first letter would be your small letters, after which followed by capital letters for every word. So initialize it. Initialize it. So when you initialize for the first time, it will take a little bit of time. Have some patience. Why I will tell you guys, because it's running locally. So it will take for the first time. It will take a little time. In the meantime, we can prepare our, or let's wait for the Spark to be initialized. We'll check once the initialization is done. Till then, I'll proceed because it's taking a little bit time. I'll proceed with, it's loaded. Let's check. So see guys, my Spark session has started, and it started locally. How do you say it's running locally? It will be present out here, local star. So app name would be my practice, as I have given out here, and it's a version that will give you the Spark version which is installed. And if you click in Spark UI, you will get to know. Oh, sorry, I have to. It will relocate. Uh, Let me see. Okay, what it will show you? It will show you the event and what event has happened. What you have done. As of now, we did not do any event. We just initialized it. So the initialization and time has just started. I will show you once I initialize some commands how it changes. Let's read the dataset. Let's take a student dataset. So it's quite similar to pandas. So you put spark dot read dot CSV. Look, guys, it will be a little bit tricky initially because Pandas and Spark is those same, but it will take some time practice to get the hang of it. But you guys, once you practice, you can easily understand what is the difference. So if you give this command, let's see what happens. Okay, students, this is my data set. See, guys, in pandas we already read, right? PDs dot read underscore CSV. Here it's not, we don't put underscore, we just put dot, and we give the what do you call the name of the CSV. Now let's check my let's refresh the Spark UI and see the event timelines. It's initializing. That's why here we don't have anything. Once it's initialized, we'll get added, succeeded. And it says FIFO, first in, first out. It's still loading. Uh, Data set is huge, guys. So it'll take a little bit of time to load. Once it loads, we can remember, guys, we used to do dot head in pandas, but here we won't do dot head. We will use a command called student dot show. And I want to see the first 10 rows. I don't know why is it so slow today. Okay, everything is correct. Spark.read CSV, student CSV. Let me check, guys, if I have that. PySpark. PySpark, yeah, I do have students. Yes, the data set is loaded. Now guys, you can see here the data set is loaded, but see my columns. This is little bit distorted, or you can say this is unknown thing which happens in Spark, because my generally my header is this part, and if you don't specify when you initialize the data set, it will not read the data set properly. So once you initialize here header is equal to true, now you see your header is read properly, right? If I again remove this, see the difference, guys. Just play around, guys. So this is the difference. So this is a small video about how to read a data set on what do you call PySpark. I will also make following videos on exploring PySpark and basic doing EDA, which is very important and for data science. What do you call lifestyle, or you can say end-to-end process, end-to-end lifeline. So if you want to do an end-to-end project in data science, nowadays most of the industries are following PySpark. So it would be a good start if you could follow my channel. Thank you, guys. If you like, do subscribe and comment. Thank you so much.